That was tough. We grounded like 4 times.
Not 4. Is it 4? I lost count. And then one I didn't even tell you about. We are motor sailing to Manteo, out in the middle of the Pamlico Sound. 30 miles into our passage, about halfway. Been uneventful other than getting out of Roanoke Sound. When we came out of there, there were a couple red buoys. Not permanent markers, but just some buoys. And I kind of knew better. I should have stayed on the port, but wasn't sure. So I went to the starboard of them, and guess what? Ran aground. Oh, hit pretty hard, but we got off very easily, so it wasn't too bad. Did some damage control, and everything looks fine down below. Other than that, it's been nice, smooth sailing. Beautiful day out here. Gorgeous, sunny, nice southwesterly breeze.
We're at 5'6", 5'8". 5'8". Five, 7.
Did a good job getting off that reef, though. I did what that guy told me.
What?
Bob. He said, you gotta give it power. I gave it power into the wind and got off.
And again and again. And
yeah,
again.
But finally, I was going the wrong way. I was like, so the waves were coming this way, and I was going. So I turned it.
Just go into the wind.
Well, yeah, into the waves. I think helped to pitch up and over. And the tide was coming in anyway, so we probably would have been better. But then we would have had to contend with
the bridge.
The bridge, and we made it under the bridge. I was worried about that because I don't hear too many people come up this channel. I wonder why. Come up this channel.
This is why. This is why. All those stupid markings. There's like 50 different red buoys and 50 different green ones right in the middle of the same area, and you have to decide which one you need to follow.
Oh, it's like a dyslexic Coast Guard person put those out or something.
It's funny. I'm too tired to laugh.
We anchored really nicely in this nice little cove, away from, I thought, what was the channel. And I think we were like in 7 feet of water this morning, 7'4". The wind direction was coming out of the south. I expected the wind to switch into the north, and it did. But when it did, it pushed us into 5'2" water. It pushed us into shallower water.
And where were we?
We were on land having fun. Woo! Thank you. I love that song.
Yeah, he was singing with you.
You can't. Was he?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I could have heard that. Maybe you should be doing it. You want to sing?
Sure, I'll sing with you. Okay. And my anchor drag alarm kept going off every couple of minutes. Anchor drag, anchor drag, anchor drag. I was like, well, but the anchor's not dragging. But what I didn't pay attention to is the depth of the water was changing. I wasn't looking at that because I had that rig so I can see that too when I'm on land. And that was getting shallower and shallower. I didn't really trust the software, so I kind of ignored it. So anyway, we came back and we were like, this boat doesn't really bounce too much right now.
We actually noticed that it was higher on the water.
Yeah, I noticed that too. And when you get on the boat,
didn't move.
Like Mary Beth noticed that right away.
Yeah, I feel like we're teetering on the land. I can feel the land underneath my feet. It's really bizarre.
Thank you so much. That was awesome.
All the way from Rhode Island on a sailboat to do one song.
Now we're going back. But everything's good. We re-anchored, and hopefully I don't hear any anchor drag alarms tonight with this stupid software.
Every night.
Every night, I swear.
But we met some nice people.
Yeah, we met very nice people, yeah.
I saw you guys move. I'm the dock master at the marina right there, and I saw you guys move and just went over closer to the dock.
Yeah, we always meet nice people. They invited us and we're like, oh yeah, we're gonna have a beer and hang out and stay here till Thursday.
We should have invited them.
Yeah, yeah. But we were kind of, I was thinking about other stuff, so. But I'm sure we'll see them around. They said they're gonna bring their sailboat around here and anchor next to ours.
In the proper place.
In the proper place.
It was an exciting night. Over 4 hours of getting unstuck.
Trying to, yeah, very unsuccessfully until the U.S. showed up.
What do you always say? No drama on this boat?
Yeah, well, drama is in your head. That's where drama is.
And this was in my head?
No.
I dreamed it?
No, what I'm saying is that we create drama as in like, oh my God, like with their head with a chicken cut off
Got
in
it.
our head versus life happens. Events happen. You run aground, you drift with the anchor, you whatever, you call the boat US. But it's drama when you get all excited about it and nervous and crazy. And that's when things break. That's when you damage things. That's when you get hurt. You need to stay calm, cool, and collected. And then there's no drama. Even in a life-threatening situation, you know, you still try to stay calm, cool, and collected. This wasn't a life-threatening situation.
You know, we are rocking a lot more here in 8 feet of water than we were in 0.
No, in 5 feet,
5'2".
4 inches, 2 inches ended up being, and we draw 5'4", so you know we were kind of on the bottom.
So now we're going to relax and
Go to bed.
go to bed, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, bye.
According to the map, we haven't moved.
We go with the flow.